How to download Reddit on your mobile phone. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download the Reddit application on your mobile phone. So let's go. The first step is for you to open your device and then launch your Play Store application. Once you're on the Play Store's interface, move to the top part of the screen and click on the search box. Now, if you're using an iPhone, you would go to your Apple Store, right? And then once you click on the search box, just go ahead and type Reddit. So after typing Reddit, select the application. And so you'll be brought to the application interface where you'll see details about the app. Then once you can see that, move to the right side of the logo and click install. And then once the application is downloaded, to be installed automatically into your device. Just wait patiently for it to be downloaded. Now it is done downloading, and as you can see, it has been installed. You just click on open to open the application, and then you can create an account and you're good to go. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching and have a good day.